Some of you are watching this furniture transformation because you're wanting to learn how to start flipping furniture, or you're wanting to see different techniques that you can begin incorporating into your flips. Some of us do it as a side hustle to supplement our income, whether it's to pay off debt, save up for that dreamy car you've been wanting, or saving for our dream home. But money alone won't always get us those things. Our credit directly impacts whether we're able to purchase these things, and if we're granted a loan, how much we end up paying for it, which is why I wanted to introduce you to Smart Credit, the sponsor of today's video. Smart Credit is a financial platform that provides credit score tools that help you maximize your credit score so you can qualify for more and save thousands in interest payments. Features like the Score Builder are great to help you see what's helping and or hurting your score. If you have negative accounts on your report, you can take action by using the Score Builder to mail and fax a letter on your behalf to your creditors to potentially get it resolved. Score Boost can help you see how much and by when you need to pay your credit cards to help you get the maximum amount of points added to your credit score, to have the lowest balance reflected, helping you optimize your credit utilization ratio. Or if you're going to make large purchases, it can show you just how it would decrease your score if you don't pay it back, and which card to put it on to have the most time to pay it off. Smart Credit also provides you 3 credit reports and scores which do not negatively impact your score, because checking your own credit score is considered a soft inquiry versus a lender checking your score being a hard inquiry. Smart Credit also has a $1 million identity fraud insurance along with other features as well. Unlike other competitors, Smart Credit provides more tools for less. So if you're ready to start paying off your debt, grow your credit score to purchase your dream car or home, or reach your financial goals, then check out Smart Credit. You can try it now for just $1 for 7 days using the link down in my description.